Listen, I get it. You just worked a full day doing what you do to put food on the table. You're tired, your brain is fried, the couch looks so comfortable, and that bag of chips, it's just calling your name. How do you find the motivation to game dev after working a full day at your day job? Let's talk about that today. As you might know, I consider myself a hobby game developer. Yeah, I've released a game on the App Store, but I do this very part-time, and I'm by no means a professional. I'm self-taught and learning new stuff every day. And to do that, I've had to confront this desire to pursue this particular side hustle while still performing at my day job and, of course, being present for my family. So today I'm going to talk to you about how I've accomplished this, and I'd love to hear in the comments below about any suggestions that you have for me or for other people who may be watching this video. To do this, it's not easy. There is a lot of work involved, and if you think that this is a video for a shortcut, it's not. Let's get that out of the way right off the bat. This is not easy. If you want a side hustle, you're gonna have to work. How do we do this? What is the way to go about doing this? I think it's really important that you actually find the thing that causes you to not work on your side hustle, whatever that is, and try and figure out ways to prevent that from being a roadblock. So for me, for example, when it came down to it, when I really thought about my side hustle, getting started was 99% of the problem. I would always get distracted on my way into the house after work. I would see the couch, I would see the TV, I would want to play video games, I would want to watch something, I just want to veg out, right? Work can be draining, and coming home, sometimes you just want to sit down and relax and not have to worry about solving hard problems, which, let's be honest, programming is all about solving hard problems. I needed to come up with a way to prepare myself mentally to not fall into this trap of trying to just sit on the couch and veg out. The way I did this was I set up a schedule and I said to myself, there are specific days that I want to work on my side hustle, and there are specific days that I want to have for leisure time. And I told myself this, I put it on my calendar, and I also talked to my family about this and said, listen, these are days where I want to focus, these are days where I'm all yours. Once I had this plan in place, on the days that I wanted to work on my side hustle, I would start waking up that day knowing that, hey, this is the day I'm going to work on my side hustle, and it would just stay there in the back of my mind all day. Through the day job, I would just have it there in the back of my mind so that I knew that what was going to happen when I got home. It's not very present throughout the day, but it's there. As my work ends and I start packing up to go home and I get in my car and I drive home from work, that's when it starts to bubble up to the forefront of my mind. I really start to imagine myself walking into the house, turning on the computer, opening Xcode, and getting down to business. And the reason I have to do this is because if I can imagine myself doing this, then that's what I'm gonna do. As I psych myself up for this and I train my mind to be in this state of you're working on your side hustle today, and it works. And I go home, I would not turn on the TV, I would not go to the couch, and I would go straight to my computer, and I would be able to flip that switch quickly. All it takes is that first couple of minutes, 5 minutes inside Xcode, starting to code, and I could code for hours. But getting started is the problem. That was my problem, getting started. Now, I had a clear plan. I had days where I knew I was gonna do leisure activities, and I had days where I knew I was gonna work on my side hustle. And I believe strongly that you need this separation. If you go 100% into anything, you are going to burn out. And I do this because I know that the side hustles bring me joy and they bring me a sense of accomplishment. And they're also a creative release for me that I don't get at my day job. So that's what I did. I'd love to hear what you've done to train yourself to get started on your own side hustle, whatever that may be. Leave a comment below and let me know. And as always, here's another great video for you to watch. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.